Come on, guys. Jesus, that fluid that smells awful. It really smells really awful. So, on my last live updates, one of my commenters on my channel said I'm to slow down the pace of the river so that they can absorb, or what you would call it now, get a good sense of the scenery. So I'm slowing it down a bit today so that you can all soak up the nature, the beautiful environment, the beautiful place. Yeah, so look at it, soak it up. I'm not gonna zoom in because the last time I zoom in, if I zoom in, I must remember to zoom out because it affects my close-up videos. I had to delete the last one because when I rewatch it, it was not looking wonderful. So yeah, so when I zoom in, welcome in, I must be able to zoom out back. All right, so soak up the environment, soak up the view, guys. Soak it up, soak it up, soak it up. The sun is out, but it's not that hot. The wind is pretty much cool. Even though the sun is hot, it's cool, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so let's take our time and let's show you this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful buds, beautiful buds, beautiful buds, beautiful. Yeah, I can do a 360 walk today because the sun is so hot. It's not so hot at all. I think now let's start. Look there. No ship, no boat, nothing coming down. The last time there were a big cargo on the river. Nothing today. Nothing excited. And maybe when I pass round here, so the excitement will come. But anyways, I just roll up my sleeve because now the office so freezing. And outside is nice and warm. Yeah. Welcome in, guys. Thank you for coming in. Welcome in. So I'm doing a 360-degree walk today because the sun hot, but this pretty, it's not so hot. That pretty. Hold on, guys. Let me take a on the river and look there. But the train is going the opposite direction. It's going the opposite direction today. Look at it, guys. The train. Woo. Let me do a video. Guys, the train is on the river. I'm so sorry. So I'm not moving. I'm standing. And it's not going to be shaky. It's going to be real today. The real train is coming down. It's so long. Today is what? Thursday. It look like with food and with stuff coming on Thursday, you know. Cause see it? Train always come on these days. Always, always coming on these days. The long train. It's so long. It's so long. It's a lot of food. A lot of food stuff. A lot of food stuff coming in. Hey, 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 hey. Finish. That's the back of it. That's the end of it. And it's all gone. It's all gone. It's all done. And it's all gone. Oh Lord, hold on. Let me just zoom out back. Yeah, I did. Hopefully, it did not affect the view of this video. I did zoom out back. It seems like it's gonna rain though. The clouds, some parts dark. Guys, I heard that the storm last night, one piece of storm, one piece of rain last night, lick out electricity, drop down tree limbs, throw away the rubbish bins them, blow away the bins them. All sorts of things go on last night. Yeah? It was so bad last night. Although some persons don't have power. They might get back by now, but this morning my co-worker who were remoting had to come in because of no power. So I hope it's not that bad if we're gonna have something like this tonight. Yeah, they keep warning us that we're having these tornadoes and these wind, and it was really bad last night. Whew. Wonder where how there's a carry. Must be on the road. Should be outside. I know the bridge. Carols. The bridge carols. Road. But on the bridge. But I'm not so sure where so much persons on the live. I'm listening like and nobody talking to me. I wanna talk. Like seriously. Like seriously. Whew. But it's nice outside. It's not that nice. Yeah. If you look over behind me, you will see the overcast. Yeah, and you see my clothes blowing in the wind. It's gonna rain. Like it's gonna rain. Yeah. But yeah, me enjoy a little. Walk out some of them food there. Walk out some of those food. The lunch. And I had a donut. Somebody brought in donut. So I walk them out. Even though I'm not bust a sweat. I'm not busting a sweat because it's so cool. It is so cool, guys. Oh. Oh, she walk and come back already. It's not nice if I get somebody to take a picture here, son. Me that feel so good. I like that something there if you take one picture. It look nice. Only when I walk out with my friends I get picture. When I walk alone, I can't even do one selfie. I don't think I do good selfie, but yeah. Ooh, nice breeze. Ooh. Nice breeze. Jesus, look here, guys. Watch the squirrel up there, so. Watch him. Watch the squirrel, guys. You see? Wanna see him? Let me take a video. It's a squirrel, guys. Squirrel. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I has to go. The squirrel gone. I was zooming in on the squirrel, but him gone. Let me sit a little. You know, so the plants, they're so pretty around this, sir. So how are you all doing? What's going on in your neck of the woods? Is it raining? Do we have storm? I heard that Jamaica was having Kingston was having something. All tree drop down from car and those things. Is it true, guys? This season look like it's not going to be one to remember. This hurricane season start off rough. Hi, wind, breeze, and everything, but I think we can manage. God go help us to pull through. So if you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you're having an anniversary, happy anniversary. If you are grieving in any way, shape, or form, my condolences and hugs. Okay? Thank you so much for tuning in today. It was my pleasure having you. So until I see you again in my next live, bye. Bye. I'm out of here.